is up, YouTube? I hope you guys are doing well. For all those fathers, happy Father's Day, and welcome to another not so often uploaded video today. And today we are, as if you can tell, in the middle of downtown. No, I'm just joking. This is country plus country. So essentially there's a car show here, and I want to take you guys around a little bit here and show you what classics and domestic cars are around here. And I brought my i8, as you can see over there, all pretty and shiny. And yeah, let's see what cars there are here, and talk to some people and see if the i8 might win something. But yeah, this should be a interesting one, and I don't know if there's going to be a whole lot of people, but definitely going to be a lot of muscle cars, and I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of Euro or exotic cars here. But either way, hope you have a great day. Thanks for sticking around, watching the video, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go check out the cars. Alright, and I know I took you guys to a car show, but have you ever been to a tractor show? So check out these tractors. So apparently the day before they had a car show, a tractor show. So these are all the tractors here. Ford. Definitely not going to see this anytime soon, but it's kind of cool to check these out. Alright, I told you guys there might be a Lambo tractor here, so we got it. I am not even sure if this is how they came from the factory, but I would not be surprised if it got modified. But this thing is pretty sick. There's also a Porsche tractor right next to it. So yeah, I guess you don't see this stuff anytime on your regular day. So just want to show you guys this one. So it's pretty interesting. Apparently there's a tractor. I don't know what that is. 1/8 of a mile, 100 feet, 200 feet, but either way, looks like they're doing some drag racing here with tractors. Check out the bleachers and the tractors and the score booth. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. I know this is I do mostly stuff around cars, but this is kind of mesmerizing to kind of see some new stuff that you've never seen before. So hope you guys are having fun with this as much as I am. But also check out these tractors right here, man. You've never seen anything like this before. This one is smoking. Maybe some barbecuing in there. But check out these. This is crazy. Talking about your 22 wheels. But check out this bad boy. I don't even know if this was a thing back then, but dude, I'm 6'5", keep that in mind. This thing is, the wheel is more than I am, so that is crazy. Alright, so let's, I think this wraps up the tractor car show, or the tractor walk tour. Look at this Jeep. Jeep right here. Gladiator. Jeep Gladiator. A lot of Mustangs. exhaust right here. Dang. I don't know how people can see out this, but it's nice. Wide they made these. That is crazy. You can definitely fit two of these engines in there. Crazy. Look at those tires. Wow. Alright, let's check out this side. Alright, let's see what's on this side. So it doesn't look like it's a big car show. I'd say probably about maybe 200 cars max, but there's definitely more coming in. So, but like I said, it's nice to see kind of some of these old school cars. You don't usually see those in today's car shows. So it's mostly moderns. So speaking of moderns, there's already a Dodge, so I guess maybe I'm not. Oh, look at this thing.
Pretty good.
Nice. Oh, that's cool. A little tray on the side. Sorry. Oh, that's you fine. Oh, Dougie. Chevy SS. Man, these are nice. These are nice. Old Mustangs. Little Dukes of Hazzard theme going on here. I see a lot of orange cars. So he's got little mirrors going on here. Alright, well there you have it. That is pretty much the car show and everybody that's here. So let's go back to our post. And it's only a short, it's like 3-hour car show, so pretty much we got here at 10 o'clock and the car show trophies are going to be handed over already at 1. So pretty much like 3-hour car show. That's nice right before the sun comes out. But let's go back to the car and wait and see if we win anything here. So check out this little monster truck, I would say, from the old days. I don't know how people can sit in these, but definitely a lot of. Look at that windshield, so glittery. I don't even know if you can see anything from that. All right, well, I am pretty burned from all the sun at the car show, but it is finally over, and I wasn't surprised that we won something, but we got, as you can see right there, 3rd place for best car show 2000 and up. And with this being pretty much in the country and all full of Fords and Chevys, I think I was the only BMW or any foreign car in this whole car show. And so no surprise that everybody, I think, was a little biased on the decision. But, and I say that because the #1 car that was completely stock was a Dodge Challenger, and that one won 1st place. So I don't think I want to I don't think I want to agree with that, but it's all good. We had fun, saw some tractors. Hope you had fun. Stay tuned for another video with the i8, another car show. Not sure if there's particular stuff you guys want to see, but if there is, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.